Okay, so this is a Tesla Model Y performance with the new center console. This is a Gen 2 center console. So now it has a sliding door and you have your storage compartment. It's still the same type of storage where the depth is really deep. And the only good use for this is really a big tissue box. But you don't want to waste all that space and just have a big tissue box in there. So Tesla designed this new center console with this extra crease, and that extra crease allow you to purchase aftermarket tray organization where you can actually slide it forward and still have access to below compartment. And I wanted to share with you this center console tray organization from JOWUA, and this is a high quality tray where it can actually slide forward and backwards. Let me just take it out and show you. So it does come with that USB-C to USB-A in case if your device still uses USB-A, since most of us haven't converted over to USB-C. And it won't block off those two ports that you see there. And if you notice, it's still pretty dark in here with that huge depth of a storage compartment. You only have that one tiny LED light. And all you need to do is just slide it in, and you still have access to the lower compartment, as well as a organizer tray. And it has this nice two-tap where you can pull on it. So it does come in square design as well as this triangle design. And this is really for sunglasses. So if you have a pair of, let's say, Ray-Bans, fits in here perfectly. You can have two pair of glasses. And then here you can store your key card, coins, or whatever you want to store here. Okay. And then when you're not using this tray, you can just push it forward and slide it back. And this is a soft material. So you can actually take this out and clean it because there's a plastic cover underneath a storage tray. So it's a nice design in case if you put some snacks here and it melts or whatnot, you can take this out, rinse off fairly quickly. Now you're probably wondering, why is there an opening here? So you have access to this USB port or USB-C port. And if you want additional USB and additional light in here, you can also get from JOWUA this USB hub with LED light. Now, if you're familiar with JOWUA accessories for Tesla Model 3 or Y with the Gen 1 center console, this is very similar to that extra hub. So all you need to do is just plug this in, and now you have I believe you have four USB. So two on top USB-C, actually 5, and a USB-A, as well as two additional USB-A here. One is a 27 volt and the other is an 18 volt. So you can charge your iPad a lot quicker with this USB-C plug. And that's where the cutout comes in handy. So all you need to do is just plug this in. And now it's compatible with your sliding tray. And the best part about this is you slide it forward. And I have my cabin light on, so if I turn it off, you can see it's pretty dark in there. So this actually has additional light where you can actually see stuff in your tray. You can use the other just below it, and it's easier to find versus the black USB-C. You sort of have to feel for this. It's just right on top. So I'll post a link where you can find these. And JOWUA sometimes give $5 off. I'll post a promo code where you can also get that in case they are giving a sale out. Thanks for watching. Catch y'all next time.